My name is Candace George. I've been with Corrigan OSB for a year and 6 months. I am currently in the shipping work system, and outside of that, I actually work inside of the scale house. I grew up as a country girl. Lived in the city, but grew up as a country girl. I do have horses, and that's my love. That's what I love to do. I've owned several different horses over the years, but she's kind of my favorite thus far. Her name is Hazel Ray. It's like a ray of sunshine. She's a really cool horse. I absolutely adore her. What I did in the past is I worked in the animal industry, and that actually over the course of the time, dealing with different situations, having to confiscate animals and different things like that, and trying to get programs out there to help people keep their animals in their homes. After a while, it takes a toll on you emotionally. I was actually looking to do something completely different than I've ever done before. I have never worked in a manufacturing position. I wanted something that was not gonna be just like a dead end, because it was, like I said, switching careers, switching industries could always be sometimes a little tricky. So I was looking for something that would allow me to get my foot in the door and also grow within that industry, and RoyOMartin just happened to have that. One thing that I love about Corrigan OSB and RoyOMartin in general is that you are able to grow financially at your pace. And it's a quick pace. As we learn a new skill, we are granted a new increase. As long as you are, a motivated person to learn new skills and actually obtain those skills, you will grow at the same rate as everyone else. Everything is laid out, everything is fair, everything is uniform. My father always instilled in me that you are great, you present that to the world, and you never let anyone take that from you. Having confidence has served me here well. It allowed me to come in and say, although I've never worked in this industry, I'm great and you're gonna see it. It allowed me to, not be afraid to learn new tasks, and I'm always willing and wanting to learn new things. It allowed me to come in and be confident around a job site where we have, majority male coworkers. Look at the things that I have done before considering a manufacturing job. I was nowhere near any type of consideration of a manufacturing job when I entered college at 18 years old. I hope that when they see me and they might see this video, that they understand that it doesn't look one way. It can look several different ways. There's so many different outlets, from production to office management, HR. There's a lot of different growth opportunities in a manufacturing business or role. Manufacturing positions doesn't look like one thing. There may be hiccups where you're like, I'm not as confident, or, this person looks this way, or this person does this. If we start to believe, that we're great, we're smart, we're intelligent, those things allow your confidence to show 100 times more.